Alright, give a quick update on the Camaro. Again, 1974 Camaro Type LT. It's a freaking rust bucket, but you know. Race the engine a couple times. Oh, put it in park. Now race the engine. Put it in park. Cheers, folks. Newest member of the family. Put it in neutral. I put it in neutral. Yeah. I got it here. Alright, so here I am working on the 74 Camaro. I was looking at some YouTube videos how to take the trim off the windshield and come closer so you can see this. This windshield is good, but the support around it is pretty bad. I tested it with some water, put a water hose on it, and it leaked in quite a few places. But taking the trim off is not as easy as it looks like on YouTube. So if you see here, I got one of these pry bar tools from Harbor Freight, and I've been trying to just jiggle it and pop it because it is not like releasing any kind of way. It's just caught up in there, and it's probably going to bend the trim back where the little clips are, but I'll just take a small hammer and try to be careful and tap them back in place, tap it back in form or whatever. But right now, this is very difficult. Off because I need to get this window out, this windshield. So back in a little bit. Alright, so I took the spoiler off the trunk lid and started prepping this, knocking all the loose rust off. It's not that much. Okay, it's quite a bit. And knocking the rust off. And then we're gonna wire wheel it. That's a big gaping hole in the back of the trunk lid, but the other side is fine. More surface rust than anything. So beat the hell out of this, get it ready, and then do the other side. 1974 Chevy Camaro, trying to do a simple and quick restore, get this car back on the road. That's not going to happen. So just started looking around, planning out what I want to work on, and what I realized is this front cap here, this front nose, it's got some splits. So I say, best way to do it is take it off, clean up the chrome, all that stuff. So as I'm taking it off or unbolting it, I realized several things. One, there's daylight through the fender. I did that trying to take this front cowl off. But anyway, there's a bunch of bolts in here. There's one, two that goes way up there, those two here. And I should have shot a video of taking those out, but I couldn't hold the camera and do this too, but it was pretty intense. So bolts there, then there's bolts on the fender and the bumper. There's a bolt there, the bracket that holds it here, bracket holds it here, bracket holds it here, 2 bolts in each of those, another 2 bolts over on this side for this fender. And let me be honest, this car is in pretty bad shape. I didn't know it was this bad. That's the radiator support. Look at that big gaping split in there right there. I mean, that's just ridiculous. So, and then the fiberglass on the front nose is busted up. The bumper support is broken. I mean, the bottom, what do you call it, cowl or whatever they call it, piece filler panel is busted up down there. I mean, it's just, as you start taking things apart, you realize there's more problems facing you. So another thing I noticed is when you're working on these old cars and you want to do a restoration, first thing you got to know is do it right. Do it right the first time. Saves you a whole lot of problems. Second thing you need to know is that everything is rusty. Third thing, everything is broken. The fourth thing, it's going to take a lot more time than you thought. And the fifth thing is going to be a lot more expensive than you thought it was going to be. So just remember those things when you get ready to restore one of these old cars. Again, 1974 Chevy Camaro Type LT. Beautiful car. Basically a rust bucket. And I'm going to take my time and do it like, you eat an elephant, one bite at a time. So it's a lot. A lot of work needs to be done. And just go ahead and get it done. out here checking out the 74, what we did today. All right, I peeled all the black off using some paint stripper. There's some angles for the front cap, front nose. That's the radiator support, top plate. Clean that up pretty good. That's the spoiler right there. Use the airplane stripper to get that stuff off, the black off of that. And there's the front cap right there. We got those panels in the box. We ain't touched those yet. We got all the stripes off, grinded down the bad spots. Looking good, looking good. Almost looking as good as my boys right there that helped us out. You know what I'm saying? That's right, they put that work in, And look at it, front cap is gone, baby. And then we put rust preventer on all this rusty stuff down here. You know, the bumper support and all that. It's pretty bad, you know, a bunch of rust on this car, but you know, we did what we could do. So there she is, looking good. Right now. Alright, got the 7-fold going again tonight. I ain't touched it in a minute, but here's something weird I want to show y'all. This is like a rear filler panel. Go between the bumper and the tail lights, bumper and the trunk area. And you can't find this online anywhere. I've been looking. This one is the original piece and it's pretty toe up, rusted out, you name it. And it's like, what do I do? So since I can't find it, can't buy it, can't replace it, I'm gonna have to fix it. Fix that. Not too rusty. Rusty enough to fall apart. It's bad. Persistence and obsession, that's how you keep progressing. I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop
stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you